Here in the workshop, we're always looking for ways to utilize every square inch of space. And that's particularly true when we need to store long-handled tools like this push broom. Now here I'm going to be hanging it right in the middle of this wall unit so that the handle aligns with the center stile. This way we can just take it when we need it and it'll be stored right here, not buried in a corner somewhere. Now you can buy metal hooks and special hardware items for hanging long-handled tools, but they're about $3 or $4 a piece. And I was at the home center recently and I saw these. Plastic hooks for hanging pipe, for PVC pipe. These are only about 80 cents a piece. So I thought they might be perfect for this situation. So what I'm going to do is put them up right about 6 inches from the stile here and hold them in place with a couple of screws. These are 2-inch drywall screws. There you go. And now I'm going to be using this for a broom, but you can see this would work great for a rake or shovel. You just hang them in the hooks and it's ready right there when you need it.